Welcome to my channel. This is Design with Lacy. In today's video guys, we are going to look at how to combine colors, how to make use of color palette to create designs. So some of you have been asking me when I talk about color code. Some of you have been asking me, how do I get this color code? How do I get the color palette that I use in my designs? What you have to understand is a good color combination can make your design look very attractive, while bad color combination can break even a good designs. So in this video, I just want to clarify you guys on how important color combination is. So if you are new to this channel, hit the subscribe button to turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post valuable videos like this. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to hit the like button on this video. Alright, so let's dive in now. So first of all, what is color combination? This happens to be how you combine different colors to make up one design. So how do you get these colors? In Pixel Lab already we have this. On this place we have the color wheel. So this is the color wheel. So if you can take a look at it, this you see here is the color wheel. This is the color wheel. Let me change the color of this so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so this is the color wheel. That's the color wheel. So we already have this in Pixel Lab. So if you go over to color, if I want to change color of any design of any text here, so if I go over to color, let me go over to color. Alright, if I go over to color, click on color to edit a color. So this on this place is the color wheel. This is what we call the color wheel. So look at it, this is the color wheel. Why this is your color code? This here above here is your color code. Look at it, this is in X, is in hexagon. That's the color code in hexagon. So if you can see, white color is we have 6F. That's white color. So how do you get this color palette to use in your design? So if you are a newbie, don't worry, this video will explain everything to you, and you will see yourself excelling in how you combine colors. So let's go on to Google Chrome. So the simplest way, this is how I do it. So let's search for color palette. So here, go to your Google Chrome and search for color palette, or any web browser you are using. So I'm just going to search for color palette. Alright, so this is my color palette. This is it. So here I have different types of color palette. So go over to images. So you can see images here. Go over to images, just click on images. So this is images, just click on that, open that up. Alright, if you can see, I'm making use of mouse with my phone. So if you want to know how to connect your mouse to your phone, I will link a video in the description, or it will pop up on the screen. So watch that video after watching this video, as it will show you how you can link how you can connect your mouse to your phone. It will be very helpful for you. Alright, so everything you are seeing here, these are color palette that you can make use of in your design. So look at this color palette. So these are color palette. So I'm just going to download one of these. So let me download this so we can make use of it. So this is a color palette. So I'm just going to download this. So I'm going to download the image now, put it inside my phone. Alright, so now let's go back to Pixel Lab. So when you go back to your design, you are just going to import this color palette into your design using this option. Go to the plus button, go to from gallery to bring in that image you just downloaded. So this is the image, I'm going to bring it in. Alright, so this is the image, this is the color palette I want to make use of. Alright, so let me delete all of this, or let me delete all of this to show you how to demonstrate this to you. Okay, so for instance, let's say you are designing something for a client and the client gave you one color that this is my brand color. Okay, so when you are going to search for the color palette online, what you are going to use, maybe the client gave you a blue color for as the brand color for his or her business. So when you are searching it online, what you are going to do, you are going to search for blue color combination. It will come out, you see colors that blend well with blue. Okay, so that's how you search for that. All right, so let me show you how to make use of this now. Okay, so this is the color palette I'm going to use for this design. Okay, so for this, pay attention to this very well. This is how you combine colors. First of all, you don't make use of a bright color on a bright background. It will not blend well. So let me show you the example of what I'm just saying now, so you see the difference of this. Okay, all right, so this is the color palette I'm going to use now. So if I want to pick any color from here, this is what I do. If I want to change the background color, I click on this, tap on this plus button. So just going to tap on that. When you tap on that, go to the eyedropper tool here. This is the eyedropper tool. Okay, so tap on the eyedropper tool, then it will take you to a window like this. So now this is the image I want to pick the color from. So what you are going to do is to tap on that image. So this is the image, it will open up. So I want to make use of this as the color, as the background color. So just tap on it, then tap on the good button here and tap on OK. So you can see now the background has changed. Okay, all right, so let me show you what I was saying. So this background is a dark color. Okay, it's not a bright color. Okay, so you cannot go and use, so let me bring in a text so you see what I'm doing. So let me bring in this text. So let me edit this text. So let's call this, let's say example. So let's say this is an example. All right, so let's say this is an example. I'm just demonstrating this. All right, so you can see you cannot go and you make use of a dark color on this dark background. That's a mistake most of you are making when you are designing. Okay, so let me show you that. If I make use of a dark color on this dark background, see how it will look like. So this is a dark color on a dark background. You can see how painful it is to the eye. Okay, so let's see the difference now. So when you are designing, you make use of a bright color on a dark background. Okay, so let me make use of a bright color now, so you see the difference between these two. All right, so this, I'm going to make use of the yellow color, which is here. So I'm going to pick that color. So this is it. I can decide to make it brighter. All right, so you see the difference now. So this, you can see it very well. The down one is a good example of color combination, while the first one is a very bad example of color combination. So you don't combine colors like that. Okay, so that's the essence of this video, to show you how this thing works. Okay, so let me show you some designs, some cool designs here, so you see what I'm saying, how good can color change how your design looks. Okay, so let me show you that. So you can see some of these designs. Let's take a look of this. So you can see how good this design looks, because the color combination in this design, they are blending well. Okay, you can see how the background is somehow dark and the colors on it are bright. Then let's take a look of this other one. So let's see this. So the same thing here, you can see the background color are somehow dim, dark, while the color over it, the elements over it, are bright. So that's how you combine colors. Okay, then let's talk about color code. Okay, so these color codes are this. So let's say I need a wine color and I don't know the code of the color to input in my design. This is the simplest way of doing that. So you go to your Google Chrome. Okay, then search for, you are going to search for wine color code. So this is the keyword you are going to use, wine color code. Wine color code. Okay, so they will give you options like this. All right, so this, if go to images. So when you open images, you can see colors, most of the color codes. So you see different shades of wine colors. So for this, you can pick any one you want to use. So let's click on this to see it now. So you can see the color codes are here. So these are the color codes, the ones starting with the hashtag. Those are the color codes. Okay, so you copy this color code, you can write it on a paper. Then when you write it on a paper, you go to your Pixel Lab. This is how you input it in your Pixel Lab. So let's say I want to make use of one of these. So let's say the lipstick wine. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to copy this down onto my paper. So 9B1003. You are not going to add the hashtag when you are putting it in your Pixel Lab, because Pixel Lab already have that to it. But if you are making use of Photoshop and other editing software, you are going to add the hashtag to it. Okay, so let's say I want to change the background of this to the color code I just copied. So you go over to this point. This is the place you go over to, tap on color. So tap on the plus button here. So now this is how you input this color code you just gotten from online. You go to this pen tool to edit the color. So tap on that. Then here, this is where you input this color, that color you just got from online. This is where you put it in. Okay, so what you are going to do is to click on this one. So here you erase this one, clean this one off, then start typing the one you just got from online. So what I got there was 9. So you type it in 9B. It doesn't matter if it's capital letter or small letter, they are the same thing. 9B100003. So that's it. So when you are done, you tap on this good button. You can see the good button here. Tap on this good button first to apply it. Tap on it first. You can see the color changes here. Then tap on OK. Then tap on OK. So you can see now. So that's how you get that color code. So now you understand how to get the color code and how you can combine colors and how you can use color palette. So that is what I wanted you to understand in this video. So give a thumbs up to this video and hit the subscribe button so you get notified anytime I post a new video just like this. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.